What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload multiple pictures in your WhatsApp status in a layout form. So the new update on WhatsApp now allow you to do this. You have to update your WhatsApp to the latest version to have this option. So when you want to do that, you open your WhatsApp, click on the camera icon. You're going to see an option that says layout. Click on it. So what you have to do here is to select the picture that you want to choose for the layout status. Have in mind that you can choose up to 6 pictures if you want. So when you select the ones you want and you click on next, it's going to bring out this option for you to choose the layout you want. You can choose any layout you want up to 6 pictures. So when you're happy with the layout you choose, you click on done. It's going to stack up all the picture at once. So this is easier for maybe people who always like to collage their pictures. Right now, you don't need multiple apps on your phone to be editing those pictures. You just do that on your WhatsApp instantly. So when you click on send, all those pictures will be in your WhatsApp status. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.